just seen Hospital of Hope. It is inspiring as I thought it would be. I think it really sums up what we do in Velindre.
I'm just immensely proud to be part of it. I think it captured the ethos of Velindre.
I've just seen the premiere of the Hospital at Hope and it is amazing. I'm truly humbled by what I've seen and so proud of all the staff and patients.
Totally actually enjoyed it. Yeah.
I cried for 2 hours.
Absolutely amazing film. We felt inspired watching it.
I thought that was amazing.
Absolutely amazing, very inspiring, motivational. It was heart-wrenching and heartwarming all at the same time. I'm coming to work tomorrow feeling extra proud.
I think it's brilliant. I think it shows how inspiring and amazing our patients are.
Watching that show was extremely inspiring.
Really enjoyed all of the episodes.
I thought it was great.
There was humour and there were hugs. Those are the things I saw through every single episode. I can't wait to see it again. Actually, to see how other staff members deliver their job and deliver it with such passion and engagement was absolutely inspiring.
It's so rewarding to hear patients speak so positively about the care we give.
And it's fantastically inspiring.
I thought it was amazing. I thoroughly enjoyed it. It just captures everything about Velindre.
I think it was absolutely fantastic. It gave a really true impression of what the hospital's about. It was fabulous, absolutely fabulous.
Absolutely inspirational. Every member of staff portrayed Velindre in the most perfect light.
I thought it was awesome. I love how they captured the essence of the hospital.
I'm Kevin McLean. I've just been through the dark tunnel of cancer thanks to Velindre. Just watched the documentary. A very powerful, hard-hitting, but heartfelt, heartwarming documentary that I think every person in Wales should see.